Hello friends, my name is Shalini Singh Tomar, and in this video we are going to deal about one of the important chapter in anatomy and physiology. Chapter name is endocrine system. So in this video we are going to learn about what is endocrine system, what are the types of the glands, what is hormone, and what is the location of the glands in our body, as well as which gland is responsible to secrete of which hormone. So without wasting your time, we'll start video. So it will start endocrine system. Endocrine system is consist of different types of the glands that are widely separated with each other, as well as there is a no physical connection in glands. Means in a glands there is a no physical connection is present, and they are like situated, or they are located in our body, different parts of in our body. So mainly this glands is also known as a ductless gland because they are not having any physical connection with each other. So now if we will start, what is gland? A gland is a group of epithelial cell, or a gland is a group of secretory cell that is responsible to secrete a substance. Substance mainly we can say chemical substance. It is secreting into the bloodstream, and that is responsible for a specific function in our body. So mainly in a simple way, what we can say, a gland, it is made up of the specific type of the cells, mainly epithelial cells as well as secretory cells, and it is responsible to secrete a chemical substance. That chemical substance is known as hormone, and this is responsible to perform different functions in our body. So now we are going to learn about the types of the glands or classification of the gland. So mainly there are the three types of the glands are present. That is, first is your endocrine gland, second is your exocrine, and third is your heterocrine gland. Endocrine gland means a gland that is responsible to secrete any hormone or product without duct. Means it is just a ductless gland. Without duct it can secrete the product. Gland is a gland that will secrete the hormone through the duct. And heterocrine gland means it is having a both function, endocrine as well as exocrine. Means it is we will learn what is hormone. If like in a simple way, hormone is a chemical substance, or you can say it is a chemical messenger that is secreted by a different type of the gland, that is secreted by the different glands to perform a different functions in our body. Means each and every hormone is responsible for different functions. So now we are going to learn about what is the location of the different glands in our body. But picture you can see what are the glands are there, and in our body where they are situated. So mainly if we will see the first area, brain area. So in a brain area, the main gland is present, pituitary gland, and pituitary gland is also known as master gland in our body. Means the another name of the pituitary gland is master gland. Then neck area you will see the thyroid gland. Then in a chest area, parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland is situated in posterior part of thyroid gland, and it's in 4 in number. Mainly means four numbers of the parathyroid gland are present in our body. And this gland, thymus gland, it situated in a sternum. Means it's near to the sternum area, and the posterior side of stomach there is a pancreas. Pancreas is a gland that is having a both function, endocrine as well as exocrine function. Adrenal gland you will see. Adrenal glands are the gland, it is also known as renal gland. Means there are the two kidneys are present in our body, and superior part of the kidney, when you will see the superior part of the kidney, there is a present of the adrenal gland. Means upper side, just upper side of the kidney, two adrenal glands are present. Means you can say above the side, above kidney there is a presence of adrenal gland. Now ovaries, mainly ovaries are present in female, and two ovaries are present in a female, and both ovaries are responsible to secrete the ova. Then after that, testis is present in a male, and testis is responsible to secrete the sperm in male. So these are the glands that are located in our body. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to give me feedback in comment section. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for giving your precious time. Thank you so much.